All right, I'm going to show you how to get started on the pen assembly here. First thing I want to do is click on this OnShape document that I have for you. And when you do, this will open up. And this will provide you with all your whatever you need for the pen assembly. First thing you'll do is make a copy. This is just kind of a template that I made for you. So make a copy and put your name in it. And say OK. Now you can actually work in here. And what you're going to see are some tabs on the bottom. This first tab is actually a folder, and in the folder it has all the parts, like the slider, the spring, the housing, everything is in there. Okay. If you go back to home, you don't really need to go into those parts. They're just there for you to put into these 4 sub-assemblies: grip and nose, top, ink cartridge, housing subassembly. None of them are started for you. So you need to click on the grip and nose subassembly and go get all the pieces you need for that. Make the 4 subassemblies, and finally you make the final assembly. How do you do that stuff? Well, you go back to here, click on this document. You should be familiar with this by now, and go down to where it says Assemblies. Here's the first 2. They're part of this one tutorial. He does these 2 subassemblies in one tutorial, and he does this 3rd tutorial and 4th, or 4th subassembly, I should say. And then after that, you put it all together for your final assembly. Okay. If he says to make a new assembly files, I've already got them made here, so you don't need to do that. You just click here and start your subassembly like he does. All right, good luck.